about how to calculate within rows with select statements. In this video, we are going to cover common tasks in SQL, such as performing basic math operations and handling fields without values in it. We are going to demonstrate this with select, as this provides a way to display the result on screen. Let's see some example of this. My name is Abdul Kadir Salami. Let's see how it's done. Welcome to another video tutorial. Let's talk about calculation within rows with select statements. Okay, so let's talk about how to handle field with values in it. We are going to demonstrate this with select, as this provides a way to display the result on screen. Today we are going to cover column tasks in SQL, such as performing basic math operation. Okay, so right now I'm going to use my database called SQL inventory, and let's have a look at it. So we have our product ID, we have our name, we have quantity in stock, and we have unit price. So when we are talking about calculation is when we include our multiplication, subtraction, and addition into our query. Okay, so let's start. So now I'm going to select my product name, which is name. And I'm also going to select my unit price. Okay, so let's have it here. Unit underscore price, comma. And I'm going to select quantity stock. That's going to be quantity in stock. Okay, I'm going to select these three columns. Now to multiply my unit price by quantity in stock. Okay, so now let's do that. So which means unit underscore price. So that symbolizes multiply. Multiply what? Multiply by quantity in stock. So as what? So that will be as our stock value. Now, from which table? That's from products. So what we did right now, we use our select statement to select some specific column, which is our unit price, quantity in stock, and also multiply our unit price by our quantity in stock, and the output result should be as stock value from products table. So that's it. So let's execute it. Now you can see that. Okay, so this is it. So we have our name, we have our, and we have our quantity in stock. Now, the output of the two multiplication gave us our 84, gave us this. So this is how to use calculation in SQL. To do other calculation, we can simply swap the asterisk, which is multiplication, to division or subtraction and addition. So these characters are called operators. Okay, so now, for example, let's work on addition. Now we have select our name column and our quantity underscore in stock. Now we give it our addition plus 3. Now from products. So right now we are adding 3 to our quantity in stock. Now let's execute it. So that's it. So what it means is that we are adding 3 to our quantity in stocks, and that gives us 73, 52, and so on and so forth. So in operators, we can use our addition, we can use our subtraction, the same way we can use our division. We can use decimal the same way. Let's calculate it. So for example, let's use select name, our unit underscore price, okay, with 0.2 as sales tax from products. So this query means we are selecting our name and our unit price. We execute it by 0.2, we multiply it by 0.2, which means our sales tax from products. So we are extracting 20% sales tax from our unit price. So that's what the 0.2 means. Now let's execute it. So there's it. So we can use decimal. This is exactly what it means. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.